In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Webflow website using the best AI SEO app available. This tool will help boost your site's visibility and ranking, ensuring you reach the audience you're aiming for. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide, ensuring you get the most out of this powerful feature. First, we begin our journey by heading over to your Webflow project. If you haven't opened your project yet, go ahead and log into your Webflow account and select the project you want to optimize. Once you're in, you'll need to locate the app section within your Webflow interface. This is where all the magic happens and where you can manage the tools that help enhance your website. Next, look for the button labeled Apps. Clicking on Apps will lead you to a marketplace or a section where you can find various tools and extensions designed to add functionality to your website. This section is crucial as it houses the SEO tools we are looking for. The search bar is your best friend here. Once you're in the Apps section, simply type SEO into the search bar. Searching for SEO will provide you with a list of apps specifically designed to enhance search engine visibility. From there, make sure to find the app named Automated SEO Strategy plus Content plus Backlinks plus Reporting for your Webflow site. This app offers a comprehensive approach to SEO, covering strategy, content creation, backlinks, and detailed reporting, so you'll be empowered with valuable insights and a strategic direction. With the app located, it's time to initiate the installation process. Click on the Install button within the app's page. You'll usually find this prominently displayed, inviting you to kickstart the process. This will prompt the installation routine that sets up the app on your Webflow project. Sometimes a confirmation pop-up may appear, ensuring you want to install and use the app's features. After confirming the installation, click on the Install button again if necessary, as some features might require this step to activate specific functionalities. Take a moment here to ensure everything is being installed correctly, and make sure your settings are aligned with the app's recommendations for maximum SEO impact. Finally, once the app is installed, you'll be prompted to allow all permissions and start the app. By consenting to necessary permissions, you're enabling the app to function optimally. These permissions usually allow the app to interact with your website's data in ways that help refine and enhance your SEO strategy. With these steps completed, you're now set to embark on a journey of improving your website's SEO through intuitive and AI-driven insights. Your Webflow site is now equipped with powerful SEO tools designed to elevate its visibility and performance. So, dive in, explore the features, and optimize your site like a pro. Thank you for following this guide, and happy optimizing.